Hi everyone! In this recording, we will walk through the basics of how to create a generic inquiry, in short, a GI. Generic inquiry in Acumatica, it is a native reporting tool that displays data in a flexible and structured grid views. GIs are used throughout the system. The primary list that you see for inventory, customers, orders, they're all developed using generic inquiries. In this video, we will create a generic inquiry together for sales orders and also show the inventory items that is on each order. So to create a new generic inquiry, what you want to do is to navigate to the generic inquiry screen, which is what I have pulled up here. To find it, you can go into More Item. In the Customization workspace, you'll see the generic inquiry option, or you can search it up in the global search bar up here. So whenever you have generic inquiry screen pulled up, you click on the plus button to start a new one, and then first we'll give the GI a inquiry title. Like so. I tap out of it. Once this is done, the next step is to go into the data source tab and tell the GI which table or object I need to pull the data from. So right now you see we're on the data source tab. Here's where you'll specify the table that's needed. To do that, you go ahead and click on the plus button, and in the magnifying glass, there's a little pop-up window. You can use data tables in the system as a source or use existing GIs as a source for the current one that you're building. For our purpose, we're just going to use the table that's inside Acumatica. So I recommend having the sales order entry form pulled up when you're working on this. The reason why I said sales order is because we're creating a generic inquiry that we need, and we're pulling information from the sales order itself. So having the sales order open, I have it pulled up right here. It's beneficial to have this open because it can help you find out what tables the fields you want are stored in. So usually on these transaction documents, the header information, which is the gray area, the fields on the header is stored in a different table compared to the fields that's on the line level, so down here. To find out what table your field is stored in, we can use a function called inspect element. So to get to that, you'll click on customization and inspect element. Notice on my mouse there's a little question mark. Now you can click on any of the fields and an element property will pop up. So looking at the element properties for this order type field, we know that the data class or the data table that this field is stored in is called SO order, and the data field name for this order type field is called it's called order type. Once you have this, we can go back to a generic inquiry screen. So we know that we need an SO ordered table, and we're just going to type it in here.